Hello, welcome back to another video, and in this video I'll be teaching you how to recreate Fruit Ninja in Scratch. So first what you have to do, well, you don't have to do this. I'm just gonna name this Fruit Ninja. You don't have to name this Fruit Ninja, you can name it wherever you want. I just like that because it's like Fruit Ninja. So first what you have to do is you have to delete the scratch cat. Go choose a sprite and then say like apple or any type of fruit. But of course, you can draw your own apple if you wanted to. So now that we have this, we can get more. So just click this. Maybe you need to search it up. Bananas. Or we could just click food here. That would be a lot easier. Well, it looks like there's new ones. I think. I don't know. You can do a watermelon. Yeah. You can also do, like, as much as you want. But I'm just going to do 3. So first what you have to do is duplicate all of the things. And drag them all. So all the duplicates are here and all of them are here. So first what you have to do is get the eraser tool, set it to a pretty decent thing. That's way too much, so I'll just shorten it up. That's good. Just like slice it, because this is what it's gonna look like if you slice the fruit. So then once you've done that, you can just drag it over here. And what I can do is you see this? So what I have to do is I have to go like this. Well then, once I do that, oh yeah. So put it back in the place I was, and then try to get it to here. So yeah, maybe I need to do this again. So yeah, it can be hard, like really hard to do this, but yeah, what you can do is just drag it like this and then drag it back onto the apple, and that's what it's gonna look like when you slice it. So now do the same thing. Oh yeah, that's not good enough. Like slice it like that, maybe. So then, what you do is you get this tool. Oh yeah, you click one, hold shift down so you can click on the other one. Sorry, I forgot to say that. That's probably why it might not have worked for you. So that means now what I have to do is I just got to, it's gonna be hard, so. There might be a better way of doing this, but I just do it like this. Okay, boom. Then I could just move these to wherever they were. And boom, we have this sliced. Now for the watermelon. Of course, you can do any food you'd like for you to slice open. So I'll do like straight through the middle. That looks really weird. Whatever. So then, oh wait, that's super easy. I'm gonna add like like that kind of thing, like making it slice in half like that, or maybe like kind of like that maybe. So then now time for the code. So okay, now time for the code. First go to events, when green flag clicked, looks, set size to 120. So once you have set the size to 120, then you will make a variable. Just right click this variable and say delete my variable. You don't need it. You make a variable called fruit velocity. So then you can say it for all sprites if you want. It doesn't really matter, I don't think. So then uncheck mark that and then say go to, and then where do our watermelon want to be, or fruit? Like where do our fruit want to like spawn until they like shoot in the air? Wait, no, I have the perfect coordinates for this. It is 96 negative 165. So if we say this, it'll spawn like that. I think that would be good. So then you will go to looks here, scroll down and drag a hide block, then get a forever loop in controls, and then also in control scroll down and say create a clone for myself, and then scroll all the way up and say wait, like let's say 2 seconds, like wait 2 seconds until another fruit pops up. I think that's good. So now the next thing we have to do is make our own blocks. This can be a little advanced sometimes, but this is really easy to make. All you have to do is say touch with a question mark. Click OK, and then you have this block. Drag it down here, and then say, and then get yourself an if then block. Where is it? Over here. Put that right here, and then say touching mouse pointer, so it will just slice it. And then you'll say and then we will get an if then block and controls, and then put that right inside of there, and then go to operators and get a equals block, and then go to oh yeah, and then go to looks, scroll all the way down, and then say costume number, and then say 1. But since costume number 1, since these are the intact ones, we will say 4. Put that in there so they don't just spawn sliced. So then now what we have to do is we have to make another variable called score. It doesn't matter if it's for all sprites or not. So then well, what we have to do is double tap this, put this like in the middle of the screen maybe. I think that's good. That's the score. Also for backdrops, I'm going to export a backdrop. So this is the best one I could make. So what I want to do is like just do this, so it'll cover this whole thing, and that will be the score. You can put the score over here or here. I just like putting it in the top middle of the screen. I would just delete that. So now what we have to do is Oh yeah, I'm just gonna name this backdrop fruit fruit ninja. I'll make another one, and this one is for when one of your fruits, well, like for any unsliced fruits that fall down on the screen that you haven't sliced, this thing will pop up, and it will be. And now we will call this. You can use any font you want. I just like Pixel, and then you can make a game over screen. Sorry. Okay, and then you could center it. I think that would be good if you center it. Yes, game over. Oh yeah, don't forget the sad face. I think we have to like. Whatever. So we have this, the game over screen, but we want Fruit Ninja. So what we have to do is let's just continue the coding. So once you've gotten the score, you will say change score by 1, and then say switch costume to oh yeah, it's up here. Switch costume to watermelon. Well, let's see. So I don't know, apple slice, and slice. So since these are the slices, I'll say apple slice. And then depending on how much fruit you have, just duplicate this and change it to the sliced fruit. So you could just keep on duplicating this until it has all of your fruit slices. So if you were to have more, you could just duplicate it and set it to that slice. So we've got this coding down, but first what we have to do is say, when I receive message 1, go to controls, and then say stop all. Okay, now what we have to do is go over to here. You see you might not be able to drag here, so just say when I start as a clone, and then you'll be more space. So when I start as a clone, variables set fruit velocity to, let's say like 4 maybe. Yeah, this is like the fruit gravity, like it going like. So what it's gonna look like, it'll go like, but it won't be sliced. And then you'll do pick costume, switch costume from pick random through, well, since these are our unsliced fruit and we want to randomize which fruit will come up, since these are the ones that aren't chopped, I'll say 4, and I'll say go to operators and say 4 to 6. Of course, if you said 1 2 3 for your non-sliced fruit, you could say that too, but yeah, you just have to have them in the order. So yeah, you just have to have them in the order. So this is 4 5 6. These are intact, so we want them to go straight up here, and that's 4 through 6. If you have your sliced ones, yeah. So then go to motion here, change Y by, let's say, like negative 0.75. Yeah, that seems good. Then we'll say set X to say pick random from negative 200 to 200. And then you'll go to looks here and scroll down and say show. And then once you've done that, you'll get yourself a repeat block, and then say pick random from what's it like 20 to 23. Yeah, I think that will be decent. So then we'll say change fruit velocity to 1, and then say change y by fruit velocity. So now that we have this, we'll say change x by 3. And then once you've changed x by 3, you'll go to my blocks and say touching. And then once you've done that, you'll say set fruit velocity to 0. And then once you have done that, you'll say get a repeat block. Let's say like 23 again. And then say oh yeah, change fruit velocity by -1, so it will go down. So change fruit velocity by -1, and then say change y by fruit velocity. So then once you say that, it'll say change x by 3 again. Change x by 3 this time. So then you'll get another my block and then say touching, and then what you have to do is change costume number. Oh yeah, get an if then block. Get an equals block. Looks costume number, and say since these are these are all 4s, 4, 5, and 6. Okay, I'm glad I checked that out. So 4, and then say broadcast message 1. Duplicate this. Hey, you see that? Got some gravity there. I accidentally clicked something. So then duplicate this again, and then say 6. And also, of course, depending on how much fruit you have, you just keep on duplicating this and stuff. Also, yeah, 4 and 6, it just is the order of the sliced fruit and the non-sliced fruit. So once you've done this, you'll just go over here, scroll down on control, and then say delete this clone. So once you have delete this clone, this step is very simple. All you have to do is say get an events block. When green flag clicked, set score to 0. The reason why we're saying this is, so let's say your score was like 5 and then you lost. So you click the green flag, click to start over. So this will just make it so all your points will go back to 0 when you play again. So it just doesn't go to the same again. So yeah. And then you'll duplicate that, say show variable score. Then this next one it says, oh yeah, I'll just name this backdrop game. So then you'll say events when backdrop switches to backdrop game over, hide variable score, because when it hits the game over screen, you do not want to see the score variable still there. Okay, now that we have this code down, all we have to do now is the backdrop code. The backdrop code is very, 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 very simple. All you really have to do is say, when green flag clicked, looks, switch backdrop to Fruit Ninja, and then duplicate this, say, game over, take this when green flag clicked block, and then say, when I receive message 1, is it here, when I receive message 1, game over. Because the message sends when the sliced fruit doesn't go yet. So now if we test our game out, you see it slices like this if we touch it with our mouse. You don't really have to click, you could just hover your mouse over it. And I see that this game is super fun. And now let's just see another fruit. Oh, I said when backdrop switches game over hide. Oh, I accidentally said fruit velocity, I meant score. So then slice, 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 and then yeah, by the way, the fruit randomizes, maybe you have a streak of the fruit and stuff, and yeah. So that's basically how you make Fruit Ninja. You can of course add your own sound effects and stuff, even add more fruit, or maybe you could even add bombs. Let's add bombs. Let's add bombs. Definitely, most definitely, we have to add bombs. Of course, we have to add bombs. Why wouldn't we add bombs? It's like the classic in the Fruit Ninja. So what we have to do is just drag this down here, duplicate this, and now, is there a bomb variable? I mean, costume. No. Oh wait, no. Bomb. Oh yeah. Bomb. Dang it. Okay, I guess I'll just have to make my own bomb. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just going to name this bomb. So usually on the Fruit Ninja bomb, it's like a circle, and then there is this big red thing over here. It goes like, it's like X saying this is bad, don't slice this, oh no. And then let's do like kind of orangey kind of thing, like this is honestly looking kind of good. So then we'll get the red here, and I'll make like little flashes. Nah, I don't like the stem thing, so I'm just gonna. That's a tree. It's literally like a tree. Like, let's do like this red orange. How that? So like, it's a bomb going off. I'm just gonna do that. So I will not do game over. No. For this, what I will do, since that costume number is 7, I'll say 7 and then I'll say change score by -1. You just lose a point, that's it. And then I will just say bomb. So, slice, slice. Oh, wait. Okay. We have to change this so the bomb will actually, like, spawn. Wait, I'll just say 427 because that counts as bomb. So then slice. Wait, what? What I do? I think I did something wrong. Oh, because this is still 7. I need to set this to. Wait, but that's number 4. Apple slice is number 4, but now this is 5. Ah. 4 is bomb, 5 is apple, and then 6 is banana, and 7 is watermelon. Now it should work. Okay, now I won't even slice. Bro. Oh. Oh, yeah. Ah. Okay. Because this is the bomb, actually, so I'll say -1 for that. Also, I'll just take this off. Oh wow, that was the quickest duplication I've ever seen. So 7. Wait, I don't even need to add this because it's good dodging it. Wait. We need to say. We have to say apple, so we have to say these slices of the thing. So banana slice, where's banana slice? And watermelon slice. So for bomb, oh yeah. So for bomb, actually maybe we do need to do this. So costume number 4. Oh, now I have to change this too. So 5, 6, 7 is the good one. So 5, 6, 7, and now we'll say now for this one is 4, and then we'll say here the message explosion, and then say delete this clone. Well, put that right there. So then we'll go to game over here and then say events. When I receive explosion, let's make it so like a red screen will flash. Wait a minute. That's only if we miss it. But missing it is good. I'm always forgetting that. Of course, we do not need this, so then it's still 567. 567. Alright. And then set them to red. And say, wait, like 0.1 second. And then switch back to red, and then switch backdrop back to Fruit Ninja. So slice that. That's fun. Making thing. Oh, then we have to make a live variable. So lives. So when green flag clicked, show variable lives and set variable lives. I'd say like 3, maybe. It's good. It's good enough. But we have to separate these. Alright. Also, for Ninja, and then say, change lives by -1, 2. Okay, where's the bomb? Oh. It's actually really easy to lose literally all of your lives. What if... Oh yeah, and now we will say when green flag oh yeah, when green flag clicked, control if then operators lives are less than 1. If lives are less than 1, broadcast message 1. It's not working. Nah. Let's just do the variable lives. That's how you do it, everybody. That's how you make Fruit Ninja. Honestly, they're a pretty fun game. Oh, why did I slice it? No. Oh yeah, and you can also change it up, like, maybe slicing the apple would, like, be giving you maybe slicing the banana would be 2 points, and the watermelon would be 3. You can customize it if you wanted. Like, banana is 2, apple is 1, and 3. Yeah, you can customize what points give you what, and what punishments happen. So that's basically how you make Fruit Ninja. Bye, guys.